Hello and welcome to the LTS YouTube channel. I'm Joel and today we're unboxing the ProX IP speaker. First, let's take a look inside the box. First, we have the IP speaker itself, followed by the instruction manuals as well as the waterproof sleeve. Picture this. You just purchased your brand new ProX AI color camera for your retail store. The image quality and detail are amazing. However, you're noticing an increasing trend of theft and you think to yourself, oh, if only I got the cameras with active deterrence. If this sounds like you, I have some great news for you. This IP speaker can be integrated into any of the ProX recorders using the NVR 2.0 UI. Using the smart features of either the cameras or the NVRs, you can trigger any of the 15 pre-recorded messages such as
"Warning zone, keep off,"
or something like this,
"You are under surveillance."
But if any of those are too narrow for your needs, you can also record your own custom audio messages as well, such as this, "Begone, evildoer." And if you're ready to enhance your ProX system, the ProX IP speaker is a great way to add active deterrence and protect your property. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
Until next time.